You might be sitting on an idea that could completely change your income, your identity, and your future. That app concept you scribbled in your notes at 2 a.m., the one that solves a real problem for real people. But here's the truth most people miss. The only thing standing between that note and a real business isn't talent. It isn't luck. It's the wall of code that most people believe they have to climb. Let's be honest about what building an app used to mean. You either spent years learning to code, or you hired a developer and burned through $50,000. 6 to 12 months of back and forth, sacrificing your savings, your nights, your weekends. And even then, most people never shipped anything. They stayed stuck as entrepreneurs, dreaming, scrolling, watching someone else win with an idea that wasn't even as good as theirs. But that wall just came down. What if you could describe your app in plain English and watch a real, native iOS and Android app come to life? No coding, no Mac computer, no developer on payroll. Just you, your idea, and an AI that translates conversation into actual code. This isn't a cheap website pretending to be an app. These are native mobile apps that publish directly to the App Store and Google Play. The platform is called Rork. Now, let's stay grounded. An 18-year-old college freshman used Rork to build an app that now makes him $30,000 a month. But he didn't get there by wishing. He had an idea, he showed up, he iterated, and he marketed it. Rork removed the technical barrier so he could focus on building the business. And the investors see it too. Rork just raised $15 million from Tier 1 firms because they know this shift is real. The distance between idea and income has collapsed from years to weekends. Here's how it works. You open Rork and describe your app like you're texting a friend. The AI writes the code, designs the screens, and handles the complex logic underneath. You see it live on your phone instantly through a preview. You iterate by chatting, and when you're ready, Rork compiles and ships it to the App Store and Google Play. What used to require a team of engineers now happens in days, not months. If you're watching this and you actually have an idea worth building, I put the link in the description. Click it. Not tomorrow, today. Because the people who win aren't the ones with the best ideas. They're the ones who build while everyone else is still thinking about it. That link takes you straight to Rork, so you can start turning your idea into a real, published app. I want to be honest with you. This isn't a magic button. You still need to think. You still need to make decisions about design, flow, and what your users actually want. But the excuse, "I don't know how to code," is officially dead. The leverage is here. Native apps, real publishing, real outcomes. You just have to decide to use it. So here's the choice. You can close this video and let that idea in your Notes app sit there for another 6 months. Or you can click the link below, start building for less than the cost of a nice dinner, and finally become the person who ships instead of the person who dreams. Your move. Click the link in the description. Build it now.